Each view window has its own set of view controls that affect just that view. These view controls are located in the lower left corner of the drawing window, in the View Control bar. These tools let you change various aspects of the view, such as its scale and detail level. The View Control bar provides quick access to functions that affect the drawing area. From left to right, these tools include the Scale, Detail Level, Visual Style, Sun Path, Shadows On, Shadows Off toggle, Crop View, Do Not Crop View toggle, Show Crop Region, Hide Crop Region toggle, Temporary Hide Isolate, Reveal Hidden Elements, Temporary View Properties, and Show Analytical Model, Hide Analytical Model toggle. In a 3D view, you also have additional tools to access the rendering dialog for locking or unlocking 3D views, and to highlight displaced elements. When worksharing is enabled, you will also see a worksharing display option in your view control bar. These view controls actually represent a subset of the various settings that can be used to control how elements and components of your project are displayed in a particular view. Anytime you have nothing selected, Revit will populate the Properties palette with the properties for the current view. In the Properties palette, you will find settings with the same names as the tools in the View Control bar. Realize that you can see the view scale in both the Properties palette and in the View Control bar. These are the same controls. For example, when you change the view scale in the Properties palette, the view scale changes in the View Control bar to match the change you just made. When you change the view scale in the View Control bar, you can see that the Properties palette shows the updated view scale as well. So as you can see, the controls are indeed the same. The controls you use frequently are simply provided in the View Control bar for easy access. Note that if you have a view template applied under Identity Data in the Properties palette, many of the view control options will be unavailable because they are being driven by the view template, not the individual view controls. Therefore, if a change is made in the view template, the view's properties will change as well. One of the powers of Revit is that you can control what is visible in any given view, and how those elements and components are displayed in that view on a view-by-view basis. That way, you can create drawings that look exactly the way you want them to appear in your finished documentation. Again, remember that these view controls only affect the current view. If you tile two different view windows side by side, each has its own set of view controls, so you could easily change the scale of one view without affecting the other view. If you want to control several views at once, you must first create a view template and set those views to the desired template.